Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make devil eggs. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Now let's start making devil eggs. Take 4 boiled eggs and let's separate the egg yolk. Keep a pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee to it. For tempering, add 2 pieces of garlic and 1 green chilli finely chopped. Next we are going to add 1 big onion thinly sliced. When the onion turns to brown in color, we are going to add 2 big tomatoes finely chopped. For this we are going to add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, required amount of salt and 1 teaspoon chilli powder. Mix all the ingredients together and let's add the egg yolk to it. Mix the egg yolk well with the masala paste and add 2 to 3 spoons of water. When the egg yolk is cooked perfectly without any lumps, add quarter teaspoon chaat masala, quarter teaspoon jeera powder and sprinkle some coriander leaves on top. Now our egg stuffing is ready. Take egg whites and stuff the egg yolk masala paste which we have prepared. Sprinkle some pepper powder on top and garnish them with spring onions. Now our devil eggs is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.